Hello and welcome to our kvCORE to Mailchimp integration setup video. This video we're going to show you how to set up this integration so that any lead that comes into your kvCORE automatically gets synced to your Mailchimp mailing list, and you can start sending them emails from Mailchimp immediately. So my name is Gabe, I'm with API Nation. We set up a bunch of integrations for kvCORE and a lot of other software to make sure that your work is nice and easy, and we take all those tedious business processes off your plate. So here we go. We're going to go into kvCORE and set this up. You're just going to come down here to the marketplace. And then in the marketplace, you're going to find the API Nation tile with all of our integrations. So I'm just going to come down here. There it is. And then you're just going to click Add to kvCORE. And we're going to set up the Mailchimp integration. So I'm just going to click this Freddy the Chimp Mailchimp here. And then from here, it's just a matter of signing into kvCORE. Oops. And then you are going to introduce kvCORE to Mailchimp, and then you're just going to let them talk to each other. So it's asking for my email and my Mailchimp API key. And to get that API key, we have a little diagram for you here that kind of shows how to find that. But I can also walk you through it right now. So you're going to go into Mailchimp, go ahead and sign in. And then once you're in Mailchimp, you're just going to click your name up here in this top right corner. You're going to go to Account, and then Extras, and that's where the API keys are. So you're just going to click API keys, and then you can come down here, copy it, and then we can go back to that other window, and we're just going to paste that in there and connect to Mailchimp account. And that's it. That's how hard it is to find your API key. It's a piece of cake. Mailchimp makes it nice and easy so that all these integrations are nice and easy to set up. So now that you've introduced them, all you have to do now is you can hit start, and then those leads will start syncing over, or you can configure it a little bit. So you can configure it and say, I only want buyer leads sent to Mailchimp, and I want all buyer leads, so I'm not going to filter that. So I'm going to save that. And then you can choose the mailing list they're going to. So if you have a different mailing list for buyers, for sellers, for leads you got from an open house, you can do that here. And you can set up a few of these syncs so that you can create a special sync for buyers, a special sync for sellers, and have all this automation happening. You can double check the mapping, make sure your first name's going here, last name's here, just in case you have some special stuff coming from kvCORE that you want introduced to Mailchimp. And then that's it. Just make sure to hit this start button. You'll see these logos light up. It tells you it's going to run every 2 minutes. If you like to run it once now, you can do that, and it'll go ahead and start. But other than that, it'll run every 10 minutes and make sure that that contact info is synced to Mailchimp. So any lead that now comes into kvCORE will automatically show up in your Mailchimp audience. So we hope this was helpful. If you have any questions or need any help at all, we are here. Just email us at support@apination.com.